Jamestown Road. That will be the Golf and Curling Club for a fire alarm in the Zone 8 fire panel. Again, that's 40292 Jamestown Road, the Golf and Curling Club. Time of first page, 10:34:11. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 40292 Jamestown Road for a general fire alarm going off. That is the Golf and Curling Club. Again, that's 40292 Jamestown Road at the Golf and Curling Club, closest cross street, Glag Line and London Road. Time of second page, 10:35:17.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will be responding.
Roger that. Page acknowledged. 10:35:44.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show car 3 responding from the Wingham Station.
Roger that. Car 3 responding from Wingham Station, 10:36:12.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can show Tank 9 responding to Jamestown Road to the Golf and Curling Club, Bravo plus 5 Delta.
Roger that. Tank 9 responding. Bravo plus 5 Delta. 10:38:21.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 4 responding and command vehicle.
Roger that. Car 4 responding in command vehicle, 10:39:15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
Tank 4 responding, Delta plus 1 Delta.
Roger that. Tank 4 responding, Delta plus 1 Delta, 10:39:51.
Fire dispatch, car 3 arriving scene. Nothing showing at this time.
Roger that. Car 3 arriving on scene with nothing showing at this time, 10:40.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding to Jamestown Road, Foxtrot plus 5 Delta.
Roger that. Engine 6 responding, Foxtrot 5 Delta, 10:42:18.
And you can just continue on in. I'll just do a quick check. Just in the alarm panel at this point.
Fire dispatch, Tank 8 responding, 1 building.
Tank 8, you stand down.
Car 3, call Tank 9. Car 3, Tank 9.
Car 3.
Car 3, Tank 9.
Go ahead, Tank 9, car 3.
I think you're kind of cut off with your last transition. You just need us to investigate.
Correct. I want all units to stand down other than Tank 9. We're just going to do a quick check. They're doing some construction work here. The panel's been reset. It's off at this point, but I would like to just get the camera in here and do a quick once over.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9 on scene. Bravo will be command and mobile. We do have a single-story building, steel-sided, new construction.
Roger that. Take that on scene. Bravo in command and mobile. Single-story building with construction. 10:44:01.
copies, Car 3. Command, we will be standing down and returning to station.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 4 on scene.
Roger that, Car 4 on scene. 1044-46.
Car 4, Tank 4.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show crew entering on the Bravo side to do investigation.
Roger that. Command, crew entering on Bravo side to investigate. 1045-46.
Command, call Tank 4.
Go ahead, Tank 4.
Can you confirm we're not needed?
What's your location?
We're just here at the driveway on the road.
Yeah, if you're here, just pull in.
Copy that. Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 4 on scene.
Roger that. Tank 4 on scene. 1047.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show command will be stationary at Tank 9.
Roger that. Command will be stationary at Tank 9, 1047-27.
Go ahead and show one command. Roger that. Fire dispatch, you can show Car 4 clear the scene, return to Wingham Station.
Sorry, Car 4, can you repeat that last transmission?
Car 4 is clearing the scene, return to Wingham Station.
Roger that, Car 4, clearing scene, returning to Wingham. 1049.
Entry Team 1, call command. Entry Team 1, call command. I have Delta Captain coming in with you. Could you just give us your location, please? Roger that.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark Car 3 clearing scene and returning to Blyth.
Roger that, Car 3, clearing scene and returning to Blyth. 1051-32.
Go ahead, entry 1. Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
Upon investigation, we have nothing found. We'll just be doing a little bit of paperwork.
Roger that. Command, upon investigation, nothing found. 1053-29.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show nothing found in the building, 0 readings throughout. Command is terminated, scene is being left with on-site crew.
Roger that. Command, nothing found in the building, 0 readings in the building. Command is being terminated and left to the crew that's on scene. 1058-36.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can show all units back and haul back on service. Could you clear off this call, please?
Roger that. Tank 9, all units back at Holland in service. 110652.